now.
Stop.
See, I'm recording.
Stop. I should have brought my tablet.
You got it in there?
Yeah.
Go grab it right quick.
Now I don't want to miss this.
Because none of these motherfuckers know the correct answer.
Is that what that does? Seriously? That was horrible. That was the worst thing ever.
Y'all look like twins.
He's older than me.
Yeah, by like 3 years.
He's almost the tallest and he's 9.
I'm 15.
I'm about as tall as you.
That's it.
Mommy!
He's right there. They're shooting firecrackers. I'm recording.
I'm gonna be real short.
Mom.
Dude, you should have seen what we did last night, dude. We had like the best firecracker show ever.
It took almost.
Yeah, my dog freaked
It took like 20 minutes. No, we weren't here. We were in Slidell.
It was in Slidell.
Oh.
Probably freaking out right now.
Yeah, I know. You can hear him.
Huh?
You can hear him. I bet when,
Dude, this thing lit up the sky so bright.
I
Probably
bet
could have
doing
seen
it
it
on
from
the
outer
road.
space. Dude, all you heard was shoo, shoo, shoo,
There's
shoo.
a car that's going to come by and it's going to hit a firework and blow up.
That's it. Holy crap! Oh my god! Dude, we almost got hit a minute ago.
take up a ball!
Oh my god! The Star Spangled Banner.
Hey, look at this.
Doof, doof. Right. Holy crap.